So katika video tutorial hii tuone how to change Android icon name na application name. Okay, so default icon ni ya Android. Okay, so open Android Studio. Okay, so come to drawable, right click, then select new, then choose image asset. Okay, after then hii ndo image default ambayo iko inaonekana, okay, ambayo just ukiangalia ni hii. So hii ni my application inaitwa Run System. Okay, nataka niondoe hii icon, so remove this icon. Okay, so just come to path, then click navigate kwenye computer. So my image now, my image my desktop inaitwa EMG. First image is EMG, another is navigation. Okay, so now let's see my name. Okay, then desktop, navigate, then I access EMG. Okay, then I click okay. Now you can see, so here I just expand. That's my image expanded. Okay, okay, enough. Okay, that's my image. So now my icon with the same name already exists. So now come to launcher, then change value. So hapa unaweza ka change value launcher 1. Okay, na ile error ita just kuondoka. Okay, so you can come to background layer. You can choose background layer. Okay, options, you can choose shape, either a cycle, no cycle, or shape to square. You can choose square shape, or to vertical. Yes, no, now choose the default is square. Okay. Okay, so after then you click next. Okay, then you click finish. Then come to manifest. Okay, then come to launcher. This one launcher, then launcher to rename equal to launcher 1. So just remember, then run your application. Okay, so current now icon current inaonekana hivi. So after running, okay, the icon will be changed. Okay, so now imesha change tayari. So this is my application. Okay, and the icon has been changed. Wrong system. Okay, suppose you change another icon, so come to drawable, new. Okay, so new image asset, the same procedure, just upload another image, for example navigation, the image. Okay, so now come to resize this one, then come to background layer, choose color, then remove and choose the desired color. For example, desired color is white. Okay, then rename, this is launcher 1, so it will be launcher 2. Okay, so now next, then finish. Okay, so come to manifest, then change it to launcher 2, and then run my application. Okay, so now ita change icon. Okay, kwenda kwenye ile icon ambayo now kuichange. Okay, so now please wait. Okay, now icon may change. Okay, so now when I close my application, so now I can see icon has been changed. Okay, so nikitaka ku reverse to previous icon, so I just put launcher 1. When I come to run, okay, so now icon in a change. Okay, so now in a launch, how imesha change. Okay, so now just kuja ku open my application, so now we change. So now how to change application name, Run System. So come to Android Studio. Okay, then access values, access string. Okay, and then come to string app name. App name is Run System current. Okay, app name is Run System. So for example, just write Run MIS management for example system, okay, MIS system for example, then I click run. Okay, when I come to my application, so run system will be changed to run MIS system. Okay, so okay, now isha change. Okay, kama umeiona isha change, imekuwa run MIS system. Okay, now so thank you.